Good morning, students. Today we will continue second chapter, and now today we will study computer arithmetics. Here in the arithmetic operation, we will know using by the binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and division. So before to know binary addition, we should know this table. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1, 1, 10. 10 means you write 0 there and carry will be 1. See here, 1 plus 1 output will be 10, where 0 will written under the same column and carry over 1. So you will see the example, you will understand. So this table you must learn. Okay, so first example from your book I am taking, that is 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. So you have to add it. So how you will add? 0 plus 1, you can see in the table, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, see second one, 0 plus 1, so you write 1 because here is the 1. Then 0 plus 1 again the same, so same, 0 plus 1 again same, 1 1. So see here, 1 1, what is the answer? 10. So you write 10. So this is your addition. You can check it also, this value is stands for which decimal number. You can to change the binary to decimal, you can check it also. One more example I am taking. Second example I just am taking. I just take 15. If you change the 15 to this 15 decimal number to binary, you will get 1 1 1 and 1, and just I take 10. Okay, so when you will change this 10 to binary, you will get 1 0 1 0. Okay, and you have to add it. Okay, so how you will add? Same, 1 and 0. See here, 1 0 1 0 1. Here is, you have to see 1 1 1 1 is 10, 1 1 is 10, but this only this 0 we will take, this 0 we will take here. Okay, so this 0 you write here, and this one part will come here as a carry. Now see here, 1, see here, 1 and 1 1 1 10 again, so you write 0 here and 1 give to this side here. Okay, now next what you have to do, now you can see there are 3 ones are there. So when you got the 3 ones, what you have to do, you have to add this 2 first. This 2 you have to add first, 1 1, this 2 1 1 10, this give you 10. So this one will again come here. Okay, and this 0 will be with this column. So 0, this 0 and 1, again this will be 1, and this last one you write here. So this is your answer. If you not understand, one more I will solve, then you will understand better. Okay, so I just take 15. For the 15, that is 1 1. Okay, wait, I just did separate 1 1 1 1, and for 14 I just took 1 1 1 0, and we have to add. Okay, 1 plus 0, it is easy, 1. Now 1 1, so 1 1 10, we know 1 1 10. So this 0 we will write here. Okay, and this 1 will be come as a carry to the next column. Okay, now you see, you can see here this again there are 3's 1 are there. So what you have to do, first of all you have to perform these 2 ones together. 1 1, here is 1 1 10, it will give 10, it will give 10 here. Okay, this in this circle you can see this 2 will give 1 1 10. So what you will do, this one you give to next here. Okay, and this 0 will come with this. So 0 plus 1, that is 1. Okay, now you can see again there are 3. Got it? Here is again 3. So what you have to do, this 2 again you take together, this 2 in a one circle, 1 1 10. Okay, so this you just keep for the, it will be become as a carry, it will send for the carry. Here is 0 and now here is the 1, so 0 and 1, it is 1. And now lastly what you have to do, last one, this 1 is here already and nothing to add there, so you just write. So this is your answer, 1 1 0 1. Hope you understand, you just practice it, you will understand. Okay, so this is all about your addition. Okay, now next we will know binary subtraction. Okay, binary subtraction, you can see binary subtraction, that is in your page number 24. So before starting this binary subtraction, again you have to know the table. For the addition there is a table, for the subtraction again here is one table is here. Okay, so in this what you have to do, you just see 0 0, 0 minus 0 is your 0, 1 minus 0 is your 1, 1 minus 1 is again 0, and 0 minus 1 is a 1. So that is actually this 0 minus 1 is not 1, it is actually, you can see here in this note, you can read, the number is borrowed when 1 is subtracted from. Okay, here is where we are taking the borrow. So 10 means 10 minus 1, that is 1. So this is very important one, 10 minus 1, that is this one, 10 minus 1 equals to 1. So first you remember this table. Okay, and I am solving some question and you will understand the uses of and all. So the first question I am taking from your examples, from the book example, which is given 1 1 1 1 and 1 0 1 0, and you have to subtract it. So what you have to do, you can see with the table also, 1 minus 0, see here 1 minus 0 is your 1, so write 1. 1 minus 1, you can see 0, so write 0. 1 minus 0, again 1, 1 minus 1 0. So this is your answer. Understood? Now next we will do, next one more question we will do. From the book I am doing the next one. Okay, that is 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. Why we put these 2 0? Because there is given only 11, so these are the blank place, so I just kept there 0. In the book it is also given. Okay, actually you can see, you can check the question also, exactly it is given only 11, so you write this 11 here only, but these two are the blank, so I just put the 0, same like your mathematical calculation. Understood? So now what you how you will subtract. Understood? First, this is very important one, here we will take the borrow and subtract. Okay, so please see it nicely. Okay, so how we will perform these two? First of all, 0 minus 1, we cannot subtract 0 minus 1, so what we will do? For doing this 0 minus 1, we will take the borrow. So who will give the borrow? We will ask to our neighbors. So this 0 first ask to, just here is nothing, he have only 0, with him only 0, he can't give, so again come here, so now he can give, this one can give borrow. Okay, so now this one come to here and he himself became 0, now he became 0, and now here comes 0, here come 1, and this one will stick with this. Now these two together form 10. Got it? These two became 10. Now I will solve this question by another method. Please, you just understand this method. You can solve in your book, that is given another method, but I just cite you the easiest one, which I felt easy. So before this solving next, further we will solve. First, just one thing I just also want to add. If 1 0, 10 stands for which decimal number? So you can check. This is for the 0 into 2 to the power 0. Sorry. This stands for, if I have to, this, suppose this 10 is a binary number and I have to change to the decimal number, what you will do? So you will write 0 to the power 0. So of course it will be 0. For the 1 into 2 to the power 1, so 2. So altogether, so in the decimal its a value is 2. Exactly, the value of 210 is 2. So best I will take the help of this. Okay, this 2, it will be easy. This method I felt it is easy, so I will so this 10, I just know I solved this 10 in the decimal. What is the value? 2. So I just took this as a 2. This 110 whole I just took as a 2. Okay, so now this 2 now give to here. So 1 will give to this side and 1 will give with him. So this became 1 now. Next, now this 1 will be here. So this is now 10. This is now 10 because this 10 come together and become 10. So in this table you can see, now we can subtract 10 minus 1. You can see in this table, subtraction table, 10 minus 1, here you see 10 minus 1, 1, 10 minus 1, 1, or you can see this 10 is also stands for 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, so what you can write here? 1. Understood? Next, you can see here left 1, here is what? 1. Okay, now this 1, you can see here, this 1 will not subtracted to the 1. Here is the 1 and here is the 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1, it became 0. Got it? Now see here, what is here? This side you can check, 0 and 0. This 2 0 became again 0, and now what is left here? 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. So your answer is 1001. Suppose you did not understand, please one more question I am solving, you will understand better. But this concept I just given this concept 10, I just take it as a 2. This is in your binary number. When you convert it to the decimal, you get it the value 2. In your book it is given another method. If you understand that one, this is very good. But I felt this is very easy, this method for the subtraction. So this method I share with you. So one more question I am taking for the subtraction. Suppose I am taking for the one number, suppose I take 35. So for 35, 1 0 0 0 1 1, and one more 22. Okay, for 22 that is 0 1 1 0 1, and here is nothing, so you just write 0, no problem. Okay, so now how you will subtract? Okay, 35 minus 32, this values for the binary value. Again see here, 1 minus 0, you know it will be 1, right? 1 minus 1, 0. Now here is the problem, 0 minus 1 we cannot do, so we have to take the borrow. So I will ask to here is also 0, is also 0. Now here is the 1, so now this 1 will come now here. Okay, so this when it will come here, it is like 1 10. Okay, and this himself became 0. This 1 now become 0. Now here is 10, here is 10, and I told that this 10 is nothing but 2. This 10 is nothing but what is it? 2. Now this 2 will, what he will do? He will give 1 to him here. He will give 1 to him, and now this side also become 10, and now he himself became 1 because he has given 1. So now here is 1, this side is 1. Got it? This 2 now became 1, and now here is given 10. Now again this value is now became 2. Now this 2, what we will do, he will give here 1 and he will become 1. Now see, 10 minus 1, that is 1. Now here is what? 1 and 0, 1 minus 0, that is 1 minus 0, that is 1. Now here is also left only 1 because 2 has given 1 and now he became 1. So 1 minus 1, that is 0. And already there is 0, 0. So write it 0. That is your answer. Understood? Okay, no problem. One more I am going to solve. Then I hope you understand. So I just take for the 56. Okay. 1 1 1 000. Okay. For the 46 it will be 1 0 1 1 1 0, and you have to subtract. So how you will perform? Okay, so this 0 0 0. Now here is the problem, 0 minus 1, we have to take the borrow. So we will take borrow from where? I will take borrow from here because here is nothing. So this one will be become 0, and now this one come here. This 110 became, actually this is 2, as I told that 2. Now what will be here? This 2 will give 1 to him. This 2 will give 1 here. So now here will be 10. Now this 2 himself, 2 minus 1 because 1 has given here, because he has given 1. So now this 2 himself become 1. And now here is 110. So 110 again, this is nothing but 2. 2 minus 1, the 1, or 10 minus 1, exactly this is 1. Got it? Now here is what? 1, and now here is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Got it? Now here is 0 and here is 1. Can we subtract? No. So again I have to take the borrow. So I will take the borrow from here. So this man become again 0, and now here is 10. This 10. Now this 10 minus 1 we can do, that is 1. We know 10 minus 1 is 0. Sorry, 1. Or you can take 10 as a 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. Now here is what? Now 0 is here. Now this part is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. And 1 minus 1, also 0. So your answer is this one. 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. That is, this is equal to 10 actually. You can check it also. So I hope you understand the subtraction. Okay, next is our multiplication. Next is our multiplication, to multiply the numbers. So this is the table. 0 into 0, 0. Same like mathematical calculation. You just, if you multiply by 0, 0. If you multiply by 0 into 1, 0. If you multiply by 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. Same like mathematical one. Nothing much changes. You can see here also, you will understand. With this example you will understand. See, first you multiply with the 1, 1 0 1. Here is 1 0 1, and now here is the, you have to add. Same as you study here, what the method you learn from here to add the binary number, same that method we will use here to add. Check here. Here is check 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 10, carry 1 1 1 10, and carry 1 1. Here is 1 1 1 10. Here is 1 again 1 1 10. So the same method we will use here. First we multiply just as we are doing multiplication in the math. Simple multiplication as you are doing. Same you just do, simply 1 into and 0 into all that. After that, when you will add, you follow the same method for the addition which you learned from here. Binary addition, the same method you used here, you can use here the same method. Okay, and the simply this table you just remember 0 into 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Then after you can add it. Okay, Next is your division. So it is quite bit same like your division, but what is the difference? Just see here. You can see the first one. We divided by 10. 10 one time 10. Just I will solve here, then you will understand better. 10 divided by 110. So see, two digits are there. I will take the two digits here. One time, so one time 10. So now same subtraction. Now here we will perform the subtraction. So whatever just now we learned how to subtract the binary number, binary digit. So the same method we will follow here. So 1 minus 0 0, sorry, 1 minus 0 1 1 1 0. So now this 0 will down. So 10 one time 10, our remainder became 0 0. So this is our quotient. Understood? So next one more question we will do from your example only we am doing, that is 1 0 0 1. Now 1 0 0 0 0, 4 times 0, okay, and then 3 times 1, okay, 3 times 1 you have to divide. So how you will divide? Check here, how many digits are there? 4 digits. These 4 I will take together. You can see here is, if it is a decimal number, for just you just consider it is a decimal number. It is not a decimal number, you just think like that. Just you think like that, this is a decimal number, so it is like a 1000, and this is like a 1001. Suppose it is a decimal number, so of course this number is greater than number, so we cannot divide directly. So means 4 digit number we cannot divide, so we will have to take the 5 digit, means up to here we have to take. So what you will do, in your book it is given 0. Why they write 0? Because we unable to divide this 4 digit, okay, in the first attempt, so that why they write 0. Now we have to take the 5 digit. Now one time, okay, now this 1 you write here, this 0 right here, 0 1, here is nothing, then you write 0, no problem, blank space. You can subtract 0 minus 1, the same method in the as we used in the subtraction. So we'll take the borrow like that. So here we will come the borrow, so from here we will take the borrow, here will come, so here will come, it become 10. 10 means 2, so here will left 1, again here is 2, again left 1, here is 2, again it will be become 2, so it will again left 1, so now finally here is 10. So 10 1 0 minus 1, that will be your 1. Now 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, and this 1 1, that is 0, and this 0 is also there. Now this 1 will come down, this one will come down now. So now this one, okay, this one is coming now here. Now again one time, okay, so again one time, it means what will be here? 1 0 0 1, okay. Now we subtract 1 minus 1 0 0, 1 minus 0 0, sorry, 1 1 0, got it? Now this again one will come down, okay, this one will come down here. So now, okay, again one time you write here in the question part, one time. Now do it here, just wait, it will be easy for you. Now again one time, that is 1 0 0 1, okay. So you can do this 1 minus 1 0 0 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0 1, and this is 0. Understood? Now but here is one more left, this one, this will come down here. So now this is 1 0 0 1, so again one time, so this is 1 0 0 1, so this is your 0 0 0. So you can see this is your quotient. So in the division, one times you have to do, but there you have to perform the subtraction. In the case of multiplication, you multiply simply as you're multiplying decimal number, then same method you multiply. But when you add, in the multiplication, use the binary method to add it. Okay, so your homework is, you can check out page number 28. There is a conversion of binary numbers, addition, multiplication, all are there. You try to solve that. Okay, thank you.